I made this heart-shaped keychain. Let me show you how. Hi, welcome to Pace Leatherworks YouTube channel. I'm Julie, and today I'm going to show you how I made this two-toned heart keychain out of leather. And if you'll notice in the video, my nails are two-toned as well, and I'll tell you what I learned from that. So this story makes me think of the potter's house, and if you're not familiar with the story, in the Bible, God takes Jeremiah to a potter's house and he shows him a very real and practical example of something, and then gives him a message and says, can I not do the same thing that you see this potter doing? And so this is what happened. My issue was I broke a nail. I broke two of them actually, and on the particular day that this video was shot, I had to work that day, and I was scheduled to do this video in the evening, and I had two broken nails, and I really didn't know what to do about it because I didn't have time to go get it repaired. And so I was like, well, I've got to come up with something. So that morning I was getting ready and I just grabbed some nail polish and I filled it in. And I got to looking at it and I was like, that's kind of pretty. Like, I kind of like that. And I started filling it in and I was like, I think I like that better than the original. And I felt like God was saying, can I not do with your life what you just did with that nail? And so here's what I learned. There's damage in life. Things get broken. And if we allow God, He can make it better. He can make it better than it was originally intended to be, which is a redemptive quality of who He is. And I was like, you know, I'd like to see what you can do, God. Maybe you can do something I've never thought of or I've never seen before. Maybe I'll actually like it better than the way I thought it was supposed to go. So that's my prayer for you in your life. I don't know what's happened to you. I don't know what's been broken. I do know something's been broken because we're all broken. We've all had an accident or an incident or something that's just not right. It's damaged. And so that's my prayer, that we all allow God access into that, and maybe He can put on His gold polish, so to speak, and fill in those gaps and actually make it better than what it was originally intended to be. And that's my prayer for you this day. In Jesus' name, God bless. Have a good day.